please go to Google Play Store, download Zoom. Okay, install the application and please create an account. Alright, after you have done this, you open the Zoom app. A scheduled meeting will be sent to you via email and WhatsApp, where you will be able to have access to the meeting ID and password. So open the Zoom app, click on join meeting. A provision will be requested for you to input your meeting ID and password. Please do this, and as you are entering, ensure that you have entered with your video and audio on, so that you can hear the instructor and the instructor can see you as well. Now that is it about Zoom. For the Seesaw app, go to Google Play Store, download the app and install. And if you are using your PC, go through Chrome. Now you come in as a student, and please create an account as well. A scan code will be provided for you to scan, and also you will have a letter code for you to input. Okay, once you enter, find your name from the list, click, and then you are in. With this, you'll be able to access all the activities the teacher must have assigned to you. There are some established rules that we must follow. Please, in order to make or allow some very serious learning to go down, always ensure that you provide a comfortable study place for your child. Feed them well, wear them comfortable clothes, and make them ready to learn. No side talk whatsoever. Do not let them touch the screen unless required. And no use of vernacular. Now, several complaints has been laid about network and network problems. What you have to do is weigh your network options. You can use several network providers to ensure the one that is most suitable for your location. And with this, we are ready to learn. Once again, my name is Choma. See you in class.